I'd like to meditate with you today. Today's meditation will be on feeling depressed and letting go of 2020. Oh God, it's 2021 now, so we can let go of 2020, but still understand that we might be depressed a bit because of 2020 and that the effects of 2020 still will linger. So we might need to actively give ourselves care for that.
You can meditate anywhere, anytime, on anything. All you have to do is bring your awareness to the present moment.
Awareness is the knowingness. The thing in your mind
That knows what you're doing, saying, thinking, or feeling at any given moment. So to meditate, just recognize your awareness in the present moment.
I know I'm personally feeling depressed, so I need to, and it's all about things that happened in 2020, but it's 2021 now. So I can let go of everything that happened in 2020, 2019, even 2018, if there's things that are going on in your mind that are still you're holding on to from any of those years. It's 2021 now. We've got to look forward. We've got to see ahead, see what the beautiful things we're planning, but also just be in the moment and plan to maybe be a bit more in the moment. That's my intention for this meditation. So I'll start by checking in with myself, checking in with my posture, checking in with anything that's coming and going in my awareness. And there's definitely depression. There's definitely anxiety. There's definitely anxiety for the future, for the past, for the future and past, really. Depression for the past, anxiety for the future, and me holding on to things that I need to let go of. And I think that'll help alleviate this sensation of depression. But I want to just notice, what does depression feel like? Well, right now it's feeling like a lot of different sensations. Just a heaviness over my whole body is one way to describe it. A dread, some sort of dread. And combined with the depression is anxiety, which is this kind of hypersensitive, agitated, holding on to sensation. So I'll notice that. Notice anything that comes and goes in your awareness, and I'll do the same. Notice anything that's coming and going in my awareness. Whether it's good, bad, neutral, anything. As long as you're aware, as long as you're present, and if your mind wanders like mine does, that's okay. It's completely natural. Just allow your mind to come back to the present moment. As soon as you notice that your mind's wandering, then you're meditating again, because you noticed. It's that brief moment when you recognize your awareness. What are you looking at? Right now I'm trying to recognize my depression sensation and anything associated with that. I think there's a lot of dialogues that come up with that and get distracting. So you go down a wormhole of one depression dialogue or another depression dialogue. A lot of mine has to do with social anxiety. I get a lot of social anxiety because I just want to be a good friend and I want to be liked, I think, and I want validation. And being disabled and then having COVID happen, you feel like an outcast a little bit in the world because you can't work, you can't participate in society in any way. I mean, right now no one can, but it's been a long, long, long time for me because I've been disabled for very severely disabled, where I couldn't leave my house for over a year and a half, basically. Anyway, 2 years, oh god, it was a mess. I'm still recovering, and so that's something I need to let go of. Oh my goodness, I need to let go of. So let's move on to letting go, because there's lots and lots of dialogues coming up and me getting caught in. And if that's happening to you, what you can do is let go. Let go. You can let go of anything that comes up. What I like to imagine is whatever sensation or thought or dialogue comes up, or images, there's lots of images for me, just watch them dissolve away. Just like turn to sand and blow away. Just turn to sand and dust and nothing. Break up into its little parts and just dissolve. However you want to imagine letting go of whatever thought patterns you get caught up in when you think about being depressed or think about the past or the future. Or even if you're feeling neutral in some strange way that maybe is an uncomfortable neutralness. That's okay. Allow that to be, and then let go of the sensation. Allow that to dissolve into nothingness. Breaking it down into its parts, seeing it disappear before your eyes. You can attach that to your breath if you feel. Breathing in the thoughts, sensations that overwhelm you, and then exhaling, letting go. Allowing the earth and the atmosphere to absorb any of your past experiences, letting time absorb your experiences. They don't truly exist anymore. The past is gone. The future has not yet occurred. All we have is the present moment. And really feel that. Really see what that feels like to only have right now. And anything that's occurring right now. Just sit there for a few moments in this now and see how that feels. Allowing your thoughts of future and past to come and go, but knowing that you are here and now. But if it's difficult to let go, that's okay. I know for me it'll take time. probably many, many sessions of me sitting actively letting go. But that's okay if it's a small part of the process of moving on. And again, time will heal us as long as we use it with care, use that time, and with intention to let go. Let go of anything and everything that occurred. Allow it to dissolve into nothingness. Any instances that hurt you, any any traumas that occurred, allow them to dissolve away into just memory. Something that we can't even tangibly touch or feel. It's a wisp of air. That's not even a wisp of air. It's a memory. So it's even less than that. It's just a fleeting image in your mind that you've recreated. And just notice that. And just notice any sensations or thoughts that come and go as you allow them to dissolve away. You can notice them, be curious about them, and then let them go. And then you can bring your awareness back to just anything that comes and goes in your mind without trying to manipulate or change or do anything with your thoughts. Just allow them to be as they are, completely naturally. Notice how your thoughts might be different as from when you started. Maybe you feel more depressed, less depressed, neutral still. Either way, just notice. Just allow. Accept and allow. Well, I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Come back for more. Have an awesome day. Bye.